The filter needs to be cleaned once a week by doing a manual backwash. During the backwash, water is supplied to the consumers. Backwash is done by turning the blue knob counterclockwise until the drain is fully open. Turn the knob clockwise until the drain is fully closed. The manual backwash is complete. Yearly maintenance. Isolate and depressurize the filter. Open the bypass valve and close the valve down and upstream of the filter. Turn the blue knob counterclockwise to depressurize the filter. Make sure the filter is completely depressurized before unscrewing the filter bowl. Unscrew the filter bowl by turning it counterclockwise. Disassemble the blue knob, filter bowl, backwash element and filter cartridge. Clean filter bowl, filter cartridge and backwash element with clean water and a soft brush. Replace backwash element and filter cartridge if mechanically damaged. Put backwash element into filter cartridge. Put filter cartridge into filter bowl. Screw the filter bowl in clockwise direction into the filter housing. Put the blue knob onto the filter and make sure it is locked in. Partly open the upstream valve, turn the blue knob clockwise and close the drain. Fully open the downstream valve, fully open the upstream valve and close the bypass valve. The filter is now in operation.